the heat indices that we experience right now are really a factor of um a lot of climate inaction, no? But also, I guess more importantly, the continued um operations, no, of the primary drivers of climate change, which is the big fossil fuel company. All around the world, not just here in the Philippines, but all around the world, we're nearing our climate limits. As the years roll on, no, we will be experiencing more severe impacts of El Nino. No, I'm not. It's not to say that climate change is causing worse El Ninos. No, pero climate change is supercharging the effects of normal phenomena like El Niños, no? We expect, no, na habang palala ng palala yung sitwasyon, magiging malala din, no, yung impact nito sa water levels, for example. And yeah, we'll be expecting a lot of disruptions, no, because of that impact. Climate impacts don't come out of thin air, no, they're not natural. They're caused by the greed, no, and the um for profit thinking, no, of a lot of the companies that actually drive climate change. We see this cycle of livelihood impacts and actual agricultural impacts being played out live in front of us, no, dito sa extreme heat na to. Tapos for water security, ganun din, no, higher usage, mas lalo na ubos. And of course, because of the general drier conditions, no, water supplies run low. The solution, no, to this is not just a simple parang let's use less water, but a more programmatic, a more systemic approach to the problem, no, na parang how do we prevent these shocks from impacting our lives in the future, no, as much as it does right now. So I guess the question here is, no, parang dapat nagiging wake up call na din, no, yung nangyayari ngayon, para maghanap ng mga bagong sistema, no, para mag-demand ng better systems from the government to help us adapt to these new realities, no. It's less tangible than, actual advice, no, from na to conserve water ganun, pero naniniwala din kasi talaga tayo, no, na good policies that are forward thinking, that are proactive, will really give us a fighting chance, no, against these escalating climate impacts, kasi whether we like it or not, they will escalate.